All right, folks, now we're going to look at the 12 pack. This is a 6-inch ultra thin LED recessed light, and this is the ceiling light and your junction box. What I like so much about this is that it's 2700K, which is a great color, and you can get the whole spectrum. So get that white light if you want it, or the tan. The lower the number, the more tan things are going to be inside. Now, they're 120 volt. You're gonna get 50,000 hours out of these, so these are gonna last the life of your house. They are dimmable, they're IC rated, and they have a temperature, start temperature of 14 degrees to 104. They don't get so hot that they're going to waste a lot of energy. Now the brightness in lumens is 1,050 lumens. These are super bright, and the energy savings is 10 to 1 over incandescent bulbs. These are going to be wildly important to you. Now, in terms of setup, they're super easy to set up. They just clip into your ceiling, this way actually, and these will clip down and hold onto your drywall or whatever you have going up top, the wood that you have up there. And then you're good to go. Let me go ahead and peel these back so you can take a look. And yeah, this is a great company that's been around for a while. Now, these are the boxes that are going to tie in. So as long as you got room in the ceiling to tie in this box right here, let me go ahead and plug that in. And really, as opposed to canister lights and things of the sort, these take up so little space. So go ahead, put this above in the ceiling. These are your lights, and these are going to offer a ton of energy savings, folks. All right, if you're looking for a great company, this can't be beat either. Ensenior has been in business for quite a while. This is the LED manual, comes in easy to read English, and you're not gonna have to worry too much about it. The application and setup, you drill the hole in the ceiling, you put the box in, slide it in, and you're good to go. It's really an easy and straightforward design for the whole family. You're absolutely gonna love it. All right, folks, again, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We want to show you products that we absolutely love, and guess what? This is an incredible set of lights from Ensenior. Go ahead and pick them up. You won't be disappointed. I'm gonna show you just a little bit more so you can get a feel for them. In terms of design, yeah, they've just got these little LEDs built right in, and they just clip into your ceiling. All right. Thanks again for watching. Don't take my word for it. Go ahead and pick it up for yourself and start getting your electricity savings. All right. Thanks again for watching, and adios, amigos.